Hi, welcome back to the space of Agnes and your bilingual e-learning space online. If you are running a growing business, training matters more than you think. But most SMEs make 5 critical mistakes. Let's find out. First, they build content before defining the outcomes. What do you want to achieve and how? They focus only on compliance and put away how to learn and how to focus on the learner. Number 3, they ignore cultural context. In these days of globalization, having multilingual personnel at your training is gonna be a success for your business. They measure complexion instead of performance. How good is the knowledge that we build that they are going to retain the information? Last and not least, and they treat training as expenses and not a growth strategy. When learning is aligned with the business KPIs, SMEs scale more efficiently, and training becomes a strategic advantage. If your organization is growing and you are unsure whether your training strategy supports that, measure learning impact is not optional, it's a competitive. Stay tuned for more videos like this and subscribe. Turn on the alert at the space of Agnes Elisa. Also, you can follow me in all social media at the space of Agnes Elisa. If you want to book a consulting completely free, go to my site at www.agneselisa.net. Thank you for seeing and see you the next time.